Assalamualaikum and hello everyone again. It's always nice to see students. Today we are going to learn on multimedia hardware in this third video of introduction to multimedia technology. This topic discusses the input, output and storage devices. Basically, by the end of this video, you should be able to differentiate the input and output devices and to describe about storage media. The slide shows a computer. You can use it for multimedia development, but it must have certain capabilities. You can see that the PC has a monitor, has a speaker, keyboard, CD-ROM drive, CPU, and mouse. Do you think the peripherals in this slide are enough for working with multimedia product? Of course, there are many more that we need. Alright, students. Those are the factors partly leading to the development of multimedia products. Now, here are some areas that you can research in. These are very dynamic areas and interesting. Okay, now here are some components of a multimedia PC. We have microprocessor, main memory, CD-ROM drive, digital versatile disk, video capture card, sound card and speakers, and communication device or modem. They are very important to make multimedia product work very smoothly. You have to remember when you play back, if your PC, if your computer does not have enough peripherals, they may not support certain multimedia components. So that is why this is very important to understand about the component of a multimedia PC. Then we have various input devices. Can you name a few of input devices? Okay, good. Yes. In previous time, we used to have diskettes. I'm sure some of you have experienced, but many of you also, especially the young generations, have not seen diskette. It's an old technology. Because now you play with, for example, things that you can see on screen, thumb drive, you have keyboard, you have mouse in different shapes and purposes, you have joystick, you have, don't forget, our digital camera, web camera. You have also microphone that takes your voice in. These are some of the input devices that I found when I searched in Google. You have to know that technology evolves. When you search again 5 years, for example, you will find many, many more new input devices. So there is no definite answer. So among all these, which one do you have in your collection? I'm sure you have video camera. Okay, so let us now check out the output devices. Can you name a few? Yes, yes, good. Some of you have got very advanced one. Some of you have got most common output devices, such as monitor, things that we can see on screen now, monitors, printer, projector, speaker. These are very common ones. Okay? And of course, they are amazing. And these are some when I search on the Google. Many of you have got many of these, I'm sure. Right? Okay, now let us look at some storage devices. Can you name a few? Right? Yes, you are very familiar with thumb drive. You are very familiar with CD, DVD, things that we can see on screen now. Memory card. When you buy handphones, you want a very high capacity memory card so that you can store video in. Right? Because video is very big. We cannot store in diskette. We cannot store in thumb drive. we can store limited number of videos in thumb drive. But if we have external hard disk, for example, we can store many. When I search in Google, these are things I found. In 5 years, if you search, maybe we don't see thumb drive anymore. Then maybe something else come into the market. Right? I want to speak about cloud storage, which is now very advanced. It enables people to go everywhere but still connected with their data, with their documents. And I am sure you know about cloud storage, right? Have you heard of Dropbox? Have you heard about Google Drive? And these are some of examples of Google storage. Okay, so with this technology, we don't have to carry our storage device with us, but we can access our documents, we can access our anything that we have saved into the cloud, and we are not sure where exactly our document is, but we can always retrieve it as long as we are connected to the internet. This is one of the very advanced technology in computing. Okay, so we have discussed about the input, the output devices, and storage device. Now, before we end the video, let us summarize what we have learned today. We have discussed about the various input devices such as keyboards, numeric keypad, remote control, joystick, many more. We have also discussed about the output devices such as monitor, projector, some very advanced one come in. For example, we developed technology for hearing impaired people. We have braille pad, output in terms of voice through speaker. And we have also discussed about storage media that enables us to store data. Started from diskette, then we have thumb drive, and then we have, before that one, we have CD, DVD, and everything. But now, in very advanced environment, we have cloud storage. You must experience using this one, because now, in 5 times, I predict that everyone will be utilizing cloud storage in their practice. We will be leaving our thumb drive, not using thumb drive anymore. Okay? And I hope you got it all. Thanks for watching, and see you again in our next video.